was that sound? Who is there? Ah! A monster!
Dasha, what's wrong?
I saw something in the closet.
In that closet? Don't worry, there's no one there. Go to sleep. Good night.
Money keys! What was that? Ah! Someone's there! Ah! There's a monster under my bed! Ivan! Ivan! Ivan!
Dasha? What happened, Dasha?
Ivan, there's a monster under my bed.
Let's check it out. It's just a vacuum cleaner, look!
Yeah, that doesn't look like a monster.
I have an idea.
Wow! Thank you, Ivan.
Sweet dreams.
Huh? Again? Phew, that's not a monster. Ah! Oh no! Where's my flashlight? Ivan, come here! Ivan!
Dasha? She's calling me again. What's wrong again?
There's a monster in that closet.
Really? But I don't see anyone there. This is what I need.
What was that?
Look, it's just a fan. Haha.
Yeah, that's not scary at all.
Here, take it. If you're scared, just turn it on.
Thanks, Ivan.
Alright, you can go to sleep now.
Huh? Is that a ghost? Ah! Ivan, I'm scared. Ivan!
Dasha, I'm coming!
Ivan!
Dasha, why are you awake again?
There's a ghost in my room. Look.
Huh? That one? Dasha, it's just our dog Luke. He just got tangled in the sheets.
I can't believe I was afraid of Luke.
Good night. Luke, let's go.
What was that sound? Ah! Monsters, go away! Ivan, come here! I guess Ivan can't hear me. I know what to do. Oh no! I can do this. I'm brave. Ah! A monster! Yay! I did it! Yay! Huh? It's not a monster. It's just a tree. know, monsters are not real. Good night, T-Rex.
It looks like an alphabet.
Let's check what's inside.
A, avocado.
I like avocado. Give me that. Wow!
Hey? Huh?
B, balloon.
Wow!
Blue, red.
Rainbow! Let's blow it!
Wow, let's put them in the pool.
Yeah!
Whoa.
See, cat. Let's check.
Yeah! Woohoo!
D, duck.
Woohoo!
Hey? Huh?
E, I. Whoa!
What's this?
F for fighting.
Wow! Yay! Glasses.
Ooh.
Yeah!
Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! H hammer.
Wow!
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
G, jellyfish. Wow. Jellyfish.
Whoa!
K, kiss.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Kiss.
L, lobster.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Yeah! My friend.
Aha!
Huh.
Letter X.
Oh.
Eggs.
Whoa. Oops.
Y. Yolk.
Eh? Huh?
Ticket for zoo. Whoa.
Oops. Oh. Yay!
Such a boring day.
Nothing to do.
Aww.
Boring. I'm gonna sleep.
I have an idea. We can go today to Hata.
What is Hata?
It's a nice adventure outdoor park, a lot of activities. There is a nice water lake Hata and a body hub. We go. How is that idea?
Let's go. Wow, so cool. Let's run. I really want to ride those boats.
Hello. Hi.
Can I have a ticket, please? Thank you.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Hello there.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Good morning,
hi.
guys.
Yeah, we have 7 activities today to pass. You have to have 7 stars for all.
Okay, you have to wear the jacket around.
Yeah?
Okay, come here.
Good. Excellent. We want to go to the boat.
So guys, just remind you, today we have to pass 7 activities, and for every activity done, you can have a star. So let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah.
That's so cool to sit in the bed. We can see water.
Yay.
Alex, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yes, watch it
So
out.
nice.
Wow. have that boat also.
Cool. Yeah, it seems nice, but your legs are gonna get tired easily.
Wow. Oh, yes.
Maya, you look just like in the movie Titanic.
Yes. Look, it's a duck. Wow. Woo.
Now it's time to go to the other boat, the more cooler one.
Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. It was so fun.
So, guys, we passed the first activity. We have a first star.
Look, Maya.
Yellow boat.
Those boats that you wanted to ride.
Yellow boat. Let's go on them.
Aha. Oh, yes.
So, guys, let's go. Alicia, do you understand how to ride it?
Yeah.
Okay, Steph, are you ready? Yeah. Maria, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Alex, you go there. Dasha, you go there. Guys, don't forget, safety first. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, yes.
First there. Let's go.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
We will reach you.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
I'm so tired, but it's so fun.
Yahoo!
I can't wait to see what we have next.
Now let's go to the next activity. Wow! There's so many things. Wow! Look, tube sliding. Look.
Great.
Let's go swarming.
Let's go.
What would you like to try?
Riding the horse.
Riding the horse.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Let's go. Wow. Aha. Oh my God, there's so much fun activities.
Look. Look. Let's go.
Let's go.
They have a swing.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go.
Guys, it's so much fun. Come. Let's go.
Yahoo!
Yeah.
Hello.
Scared.
Oops. Aha.
I will try to pass this scary road. Look at this. Let's go carefully. Look how high this is.
Woo!
Hi, followers.
Yes! We ended it. Woo! Now let's go back. Hi, Alex.
Hi.
Say hi to subscribers.
Hi, Ty.
He said hi. Look at this trampoline.
Maya, we should go back.
go there.
You're so brave.
Ladies, you're so brave!
We got one more star! Yay!
Now, let's go to another activity.
Three, two.
Oh, yes!
Wow, so cool.
Good job!
Thank you.
Well done!
Thank you.
Let's go to the other activity.
Yeah.
Rain, don't waste the time. Let's go to another activity.
Yeah, good idea.
Guys, look, Alex, Steffi, and Dasha are on quadricycles. Let's go also. Wow.
Safety is very important. Alex, are you scared? No. Yeah.
One more star.
Dang it! You make an amazing job. Here are your stars.
Guys, look, this is wall climbing. Me, Alice, and Maria will go first. And you sit down. Let's go, guys.
Safety is really important.
Guys, I will win.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will. Yeah, I will. Now let's go. You go there, and I will go here.
3, 2, 1.
It was interesting, but quite scary.
Ha ha ha. You're so weak. One, two, three.
This is so fun!
Manya, last challenge. Who will go up first? 3, 2, 1, go!
I won! Woo!
Woo! Yes! We earned one more star!
Yay!
Now let's go to other activities! Now we are going to film other activities. This is backstage. Let's go.
Yay!
Now we are going for archery. Let's go, guys. Look, it's archery!
Guys, let's have a challenge. Who can shoot quicker?
Yay! Go!
Safety, very important.
So this is how you pull your elbow in the same lane with the hand.
Wow!
Wow.
Oh! Oh, Granny was fantastic.
Guys, we got one more star. Let's go. We have 46 stars. Check it out. Let's go. Guys, spin me.
Okay.
Zorby.
What's zorbing?
Zorbing. Something about zombies? I like scary things.
Then let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Wow, this is so nice. Ellie, say something.
We're so fun but scary at the end.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
I'm totally ready, but I'm afraid that it's gonna be so cold.
Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yahoo! Let's go, guys! Yahoo!
Wow! Wow! Fantastic!
Guys, we collected all the stars and all activities.
Thank you, Grannies, for this wonderful day!
We had so much fun.
Yahoo! Oh, yes! Excellent! This is Scolopendra. This is Ladybug. And this is Mantis. Let's try some magic. Giga Insectum. No, guys, it's not working today. Oh no, where are all my bugs? Are they gone? It's in the living room, guys. Ah, this is a giant pill bug. Whoa, this is a giant mantis. This is a pill bug. They can roll into a ball. That's why people call them roly-polies. Even though we call them pill bugs, they're actually crustaceans like crabs, shrimp, and lobsters. I need my wand. Let's turn this pill bug into a toy. I'll need this. Gotcha, you naughty one. Oh my, this is a spider. This spider looks like a black widow. What do you think, guys? They are shy, not aggressive. And they will only bite if they have been disturbed. They make messy looking but strong webs close to the ground in the dark. They have poor eyesight. Because they can't see well, they use their web to sense vibration. Time to go back, spider. Huh? Is it a giant bee? This is a bee. Bees are super pollinators. Bees help plants grow by carrying pollen from flower to flower. Without them, we wouldn't have many fruits or veggies. Bees talk by dancing. They do a special wiggle dance to tell other bees where to find flowers. Ah! Bee attack! Don't bite me! Let's make a bee bait. She'll see the honeycomb and leave the honey that she collected. Honeybees make honey from flower nectar and store it in their honeycombs for food. Gotcha, little Buzzy. Yeva, would you please help me find all my bugs and turn them back into toys?
Say no more, Steffi. I'm in. Oh my... This is a mantis. They often stay perfectly still, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to strike. Mantis is a skilled predator that can catch flies, crickets, and even small lizards. They have big eyes, and they can turn their heads almost 180 degrees to spot prey. Now you won't run away. Guys, do you hear that sound too? That's a ladybug! Ladybugs are easy to spot because of their red body and black dots. But some ladybugs could be orange, yellow, black, or even pink. Also, they protect gardens and plants by eating pests. Yay, got you! This is a stag beetle. By eating dead wood, they help recycle nutrients back to the soil. Male stag beetles have huge jaws that look like deer antlers. This is why they're called stag beetles. Let's go with me, Mr. Beetle. What is this? Oh, this is a moth. Did you know there was more moth specialists than butterflies? Over 160,000 kinds! Interesting fact, moths don't eat clothes by themselves. It's their larvae that consumes natural fibers. Oh my! You couldn't get me. Let's go. This is a Scalopendra. They usually have 30 to 100 legs depending on their size. Scalopendras are really fast and also they love to hide. Got you, little bug. Let's go. This is a cockroach. They can live over a week without their head because they breathe through their body. Also, cockroaches are one of the fastest insects. Oh my god! And did you know, guys, that cockroaches live everywhere around the world except the coolest places like Antarctica? Time to go back, Roach. This is an ant. Ants don't have ears or lungs. They hear through vibrations and breathe through tiny holes in their body. Ants are super strong. They can carry items over 50 times heavier than their weight. All right, that's enough. Now I can leave my shelter. Got you, little ant. This is a fly. Flies have big eyes made of thousands of tiny lenses, which lets them see in many different directions at once. Ew, get away from me! Get over here! perfect moment. Interesting fact, flies' reaction is much faster than humans, which is why they seem to dodge every swat.
Green, red, blue. This is caterpillar. Let's go back. Finally, I collected all my bug toys. Hey Steffi, check this out. Giglo insectum. Dasha, what have you done? Huh? Not again. Oopsie.